Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick glam makeup look using only 2 eyeshadows for this whole look. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm actually going to play with a new palette that I received. This is the palette, it's by Sigma Beauty, it's called the New Mod. It's such a gorgeous palette and it has a lot of like those pinky tones, kind of reddish undertone shades, but also some golden shades, kind of like a bronzy brown. I think it's a perfect glam palette for like a special occasion. So I'm gonna start with this color, and this is kind of gonna be like the main color that I'm gonna blend all over in my crease. So I'm starting at my outer corner, and then I'm just kind of making circular motions with my brush. Then with whatever's left of my brush, I'm gonna blend it a little bit more towards the crease area. But I'm just taking it really slow because it's quite a dark color to start off right away. So therefore I want to make sure that I really blend the edges as much as possible so that there are no harsh lines. And to get this, you just want to press the product on a specific place. So I pressed it kind of like at the outer part of the eyelid, and then you just keep blending and blending, and the more you blend, the less product will stick to your brush. And with that tiny bit of eyeshadow, you're gonna blend around the edges, so it gives you kind of more like a softer blend because there's not that much product left on your brush anymore, if that makes sense. So the most product, when I just dip my brush into the product, I make sure that I don't like directly apply it on where I want the edges of the eyeshadow to be, because that's what will make it like super thick. So you want to focus more like on the eyelid center and not really at the crease area, because you want more of like a softer finish over there, if that makes sense. Kind of hard for me to explain, but hopefully it makes sense. So after blending that whole shade at the eyelid and on the crease, I also decided to blend this underneath the lower lash line. So you can see my eyelid is already quite dark. It's just kind of like this smoky burgundy situation that I have. And then for the next color, I'm going to go in with this shimmery color, which is super pretty. It actually reminds me of a color that I previously used in one of my previous videos. So I'm just going to use my finger to apply this all over my eyelid, and those are the only 2 shades that I'm going to apply on my eyelid. So that's what makes it super easy, because you don't need like a ton of different eyeshadows or different products in order to achieve this smoky shimmery effect on your eyelids. And I really like how these 2 colors look together. It's kind of like a cool tone burgundy look, I think. And yeah, I really like it. I hope you guys like it as well. Now this is optional. I did decide to go in with a little bit of this light color and blend this underneath the brow bone and a little bit underneath, no, not underneath, a little bit in the inner corner, but this is not something you need to do in order to achieve this eye look, but I felt like I just wanted to do it just to add a little bit extra. So now for my waterline, I'm going to go in with this pencil, which is by Charlotte Tilbury. And it has 2 sides. One is nude and one is more like a burgundy purple shade. So it really matches with the eye look, so I blended it in my waterline. Then I quickly curled my lashes. I always do this before going in with mascara. And then I went in with my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It's a drugstore mascara, and it also happens to be one of my favorites. I use it in almost every video. So I use this for the upper lashes and the lower lashes, but since this look was quite glam, I really wanted to go in with some false lashes to finish off the look. Now this is optional again, you don't have to do that, but my lashes naturally don't look that great, so I definitely needed a lash to finish off this look. But yeah, this is the look in only a few steps. I hope you like how it turned out. Let me know if this is something you would wear. Let me know how you feel about the palette from Sigma, your first impression. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's have a chat over there. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple